Portugal is the origin place of São João festival and as we all know Portugals गोवा में आए थे, गोवा को लूट के चले गए पर São João festival छोड़ के गए। No offense, I love this festival, but why do people jump into the wells? अगर ये क्वेश्चन तुम किसी लोकल गोवन को पूछोगे तो वो तुम्हें एक काफी बेसिक सी बाइबल की स्टोरी बताएगा। एक बार मदर मैरी अपने कजन एलिजाबेथ से मिलने गई थी जो 6 months प्रेग्नेंट थी एंड द बेबी इनसाइड एलिजाबेथ jumped out of joy inside the womb. And this baby was nobody but Saint John the Baptist. In the Bible, it's called the leap of joy. Leap means to jump, and that's why a lot of people connect this leap of joy event with jumping into the wells while São João festival. But इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है? Because if you see the videos of Portugal, which is the origin country of São João festival, they don't prefer to jump into the wells while São João. Instead, they do a much weirder ritual of hitting each other's head with a plastic hammer. But, why to hit people with a plastic hammer? And why people jump into the wells? And who is this John? ये इतना important person क्यों है? Well, to know the fact, we need to go little deep down in the history. 4000 years ago, Western European region में एक community रहती थी जो paganism follow करती थी। Paganism means जो लोग sun, water, fruits and vegetables, in general nature को ही God के elements मानते थे। ये लोग एक festival celebrate करते थे जिसका नाम था Midsummer Festival to thank the nature to give them good wealth, good food, good elements of nature in general. And that was the main concept behind this festival, which used to be held on June 21st. Yes, but why June 21st? June से इतना obsession क्यों है लोगों को? Well, 21st of June is the longest day of year, which is also known as Solstice Festival. तो ये पैगन कम्युनिटी के लोग एक ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग रिचुअल परफॉर्म करते थे जिसमें वाइल्ड लीक वेजिटेबल, जिसे ग्रीन ऑनियन भी बोला जाता है, इस वेजिटेबल से लोगों के सर के ऊपर टैप करते थे एज अ साइन ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग ग्रोथ अमॉन्ग्स देम। While the bottom part of the vegetable, which has this stinky onion smell, was used to remove all the negative spirits of the people. So काफी नेचर से क्लोज और ट्राइबल तरीका था मिड समर फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने का। बट जो पैगन पीपल सेलिब्रेट करते थे वो था मिड समर फेस्टिवल और जो गोवा में सेलिब्रेट होता है वो है São João फेस्टिवल। तो ये नाम चेंज कैसे हो गया? मोदी गवर्नमेंट आई थी क्या वहाँ पे? नो, ऑफ कोर्स नहीं। जब रोमन एम्पायर काफी ज्यादा स्प्रेड हो गया इन द वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन रीजन, सो रोमन कैथोलिक चर्चेस ने एक डिसीजन लिया कि यहाँ के जो लोग मिड समर फेस्टिवल बनाते हैं विच इज ऑन 21st of June, instead of destroying this whole festival, they decided to merge this with the birth anniversary of Saint John the Baptist, which is on 24th of June. And according to the Bible, he is the same person who baptized Jesus as well. And if you notice, if you write Saint John in Portugal language, it's written as São João. So that's how they changed the name and the date of this festival. I don't know it's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, that's the fact. बट स्टिल एक चीज अभी तक पता नहीं चली, प्लास्टिक हैमर्स कहाँ से आ गए रिचुअल्स में। In 1960 in Portugal, a bunch of students who were celebrating São João festival, instead of using green onion vegetables, students thought it will be a fun practice to use a plastic hammer. At least it will not have this stinky onion smell, which was newly introduced in the market from a factory owner called Manuel Antonio. So that's how the hammer ritual came into the frame in Portugal city, Porto. So if you see the videos all over the internet of how São João festival is celebrated in Portugal, you will see people tapping their friends and strangers head with the plastic hammer. आज भी 2026 में लोग सेम रिचुअल परफॉर्म करते हैं by using the hammer. In most of the European countries like Sweden, Norway, they still perform the same midsummer festival on the 21st of June, which is the longest day of the year. And they don't show any connections of this story of Saint John the Baptist. But जब Portuguese गोवा में आ गए, so 90% of villages in Goa were dependent on water and almost all the people have a small well in their house at that time. Because this festival is celebrated on 24th June, which is again a start of monsoon season in India, especially in the belt of Goa. They started as a monsoon festival where people used to use wells and ponds and rivers to celebrate this festival. They considered this as a sign of joy, using the water to celebrate monsoon festival. That's how Sanjao took a shape of jumping into the wells ritual. Again, there are stories where people try to connect it with the leap of joy event from the Bible, which is not really true, but this is one of my favorite festival and I love to celebrate this festival, which has a complicated history as well. But yeah, it's about the belief system. Personally, मेरे लिए मैं तो किसी religion को follow नहीं करता, so I just enjoy all this festival just because people come together and to understand what kind of belief system people have and what is the driving source for all such kind of religious practices. So yeah, that was the story behind Sanjao festival. I hope you liked it. If you have some other facts related to this festival, please note it down in the comment. I will surely try to make a video on that as well.